Welcome to the Sykes & Company PA video blog.
Well, there are a number of factors that determine what those star ratings are. And while we don't work behind the bench, what we're hearing, what we're seeing at trade shows and various seminars and things of that nature that we attend is that compliance packaging, med syncing, things of that nature have a very large bearing on what those star ratings are with the various third parties. Keeping in mind that there are systems in place like through the Equip software system that can monitor what your star ratings are. But we have clearly seen in the real world where those pharmacies that are med syncing a substantial number of their patients, say 50, 60% of their patients, those that are using compliance packaging, whether it's robotic or whether it's other kinds of compliance packaging, clearly have a better star rating, and those star ratings are directly impacting, we're noticing, the financial dollars that are withheld from the third parties with respect to the payments that are being made back to the pharmacist. Of course, in addition, you've got a regular adjudication type of cost. You've got claims adjustments that come into play at the same time. But we've seen many situations where a typical pharmacy does $4 million in this country. 1% difference there is $40,000. And of course, we have a lot of pharmacies that have volumes greater than that. And clearly, if you can reduce your star ratings, your DR fees by 1 to 2 percentage points, and in some cases, we've seen pharmacies that have done just that by hiring either an experienced tech or a pharmacist and putting them on just this project. And you might say, well, you're bringing on incremental costs. The answer is yes. But if you're bringing on incremental costs, let's say it's $50,000, $60,000 a year with a chief type tech, and they can reduce your DR fees $150,000 or $200,000 a year, you're going to be far above the curve. And we've seen that in reality with pharmacies that we're dealing with in the field. So we would suggest that you consider that as you go about trying to deal with this wonderful world of DR fees that we have.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.